Hi everyone, Swiss Spirit 2023 today with a new model, so we'll see. I'll say also what I think about it. I haven't made a video for some time. I was a bit busy, but of course I will be back. I should be back more regularly now. So, Swiss Spirit, same usual box. So only 12,000 pieces for this one. And here it is. So new model, which is the companion. So we'll see what's particular about it. So 17 millimeters solid thickness, of course a 91 millimeter knife, 80 grams and 13 functions. So what do we have? The main blade, as usual. Then we have a nail file, which is the new particularity. You don't have the small blade. So it's very similar to the climber. And then you have scissors. Then the cap lifter, bottle opener, with the larger flat screwdriver and the wire bender stripper. And then we have this new tool, which replaced the can opener. Still the small flat screwdriver. Here we have this tool for opening packages, for example. So very interesting. A very good new tool. Back it's just a corkscrew. Multi-purpose hook. And the rimmer awl. So nothing special about it, the keyring, and that's it. So wood scales. So it's walnut scales. What I think about it, it's not very beautiful. It's ugly, I would say. My opinion, of course, but was very interesting because of the new model, which will of course also be with standard red scales, etc., which should come out in the next months. So last year we had this Cadet with Cellular scales, which is a model that doesn't exist. It was a nice one, I would say. Then before, so 2021, we had the wood scales as well, very detailed. It was very beautiful too. So this one was a climber. Then 2020, the Explorer was very beautiful as well. And the first one, 2019, this was this EvoWood, so from Wenger. So it was Victorinox at the time, but it's a model that comes from Wenger. So here we have the 5 models. We can see a pattern here: wood, Celido, white Celido. So maybe 2024 white Celido. We'll see. But yeah, not very a beautiful one in my opinion this year. The only thing interesting is the new model, the companion. But apart from that, not really. So it came out in the same time these EvoWood knives. So make a video about it. Of course, should be the next one. And so in the meantime, take care and see you for the next video. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold.